Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Shape Hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'll cut apart my shapes. Next, I'll plan the placement for the shapes. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. There are two different methods to apply the shapes. Here's method 1. I'll remove the backing from my shape and carefully place it onto the floor. I'm using a wave motion with my squeegee to ensure proper application. Method 2. I'll start by applying a piece of tape to the image to hold it in place. Next, I'll peel back a section of the image to expose the backing and cut off that portion. Then, I'll press the exposed part of the image onto the surface. Once it's secure, I can remove the tape and the rest of the backing to apply the shape smoothly. And it's that easy. More videos coming soon.